Shout out to Banigo's Fabric for these old fabrics that I use for this headgear, and yeah, they supplied us this one also, so you guys should definitely go check us out on Instagram and Facebook. We do wholesale, retail, out of Lagos, in Lagos, delivery. You guys should definitely check us out.
Every day is the way that I came for you, the way that I came for you. See how you been doing, I don't miss you.
The Banigo. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to tie different type of headgear. If you like to see how all that went by, then you should definitely stay with me. So guys, first things first, you need your scarf, and what I'm doing is trying to just pleat the scarf, just putting pleats on it so that the front is not looking so flat. I hope you guys can see. I'm just pulling and pulling. So I've pleated some. I'm just going to turn it so it can lay on my head.
Vibes. Oh, when you know,
I'm going to hold this part firmly.
Your sun mesmerizes me all day long. But the way you take control, the way you pass it up, the way I feel make up.
And just bring this part back.
Bad girl, back it up. You make me resourceful with my sauce, and you've got the juice, and I'm thankful. And I'm thankful. Every day is the way that I came for you, the way that I came for you. See how you been doing, I don't miss you. I'll be coming back for you, you know it's you. I'll be coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been working out for you, you know it's true. I'll be coming back for you, see the way I'll be pulling up on you, baby.
Now I'm going to tie.
What you doing tonight? I'll be coming back for you, see the way I'll be pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? Yeah, yeah, baby, what you doing tonight? Nice. Baby, what you doing tonight? Every day is the way that I came for you, the way that I came for you. See how you been doing, I don't miss you. I'll be coming back for you, you know it's you. I'll be coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been working out for you, you know it's true. I'll be coming back for you, see the way I'll be pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? I'll be coming back for you, see the way I'll be pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? Yeah, yeah, baby, what you doing tonight? Nice, baby, what you doing tonight? Vibes. Oh, well, you know. Sheesh. Vibes. Oh, well, you know.
So for the next headgear, I'm just going to take my scarf, as you can see, a short portion of it, as you can see. You guys, I still have the longer part here, so just the very short portion of it, and I'm going to place it on my head.
I've been working out for you, you know it's true. I'll be coming back for you, see the way I'll be pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? I'll be coming back for you, see the way I'll be pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? Yeah, yeah, baby, what you doing tonight? Nice, baby, what you doing tonight? Your sun mesmerizes me all day long. But the way you take control, the way you bust it up, the way I feel make a bad girl back it up. You make me resourceful with my sauce, and you've got the juice, and I'm thankful. And I'm thankful.
Fam, you can even rock it like this, so. But that is awkward.
Every day is the way that I came for you. The way that I came for you. See how you been doing, I don't miss you. I've been coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been working out for you, you know it's true. I've been coming back for you, see the way I've been pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? I've been coming back for you, see the way I've been pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? Yeah, yeah, baby. What you doing tonight? Night, baby. What you doing tonight? Every day is the way that I came for you.
I'm still turning.
That I came for you. See how you been doing, I don't miss you. I've been coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been working out for you, you know it's true. I've been coming back for you, see the way I've been pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? I've been coming back for you, see the way I've been pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight?
So guys, we touched down now. I have my scarf here. Just going to place it on my head like this, and then bend it.
Baby, what you doing tonight? Baby, what you doing tonight? Vibes. Oh, when you know. Vibes. Oh, when you know. Every day is the way that I came for you. The way that I came for you. See how you been doing, I don't miss you. I've been coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been coming back for you, you know. I've been working out for you, you know it's true. I've been coming back for you, see the way I've been pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? I've been coming back for you, see the way I've been pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? Yeah, baby.
Guys, this is just it. This is the third scarf.
What you doing tonight? Baby.
So yeah, guys, you can switch things up a bit again with this style. You don't have to leave the hand. So I'm just going to show you that now.
Baby, what you doing tonight? Your sun mesmerizes me all day long. But the way you take control, the way you bust it up, the way I feel make a bad girl back it up. You make me resourceful with my sauce, and you've got the juice, and I'm thankful. And I'm thankful. Every day is the way that I came for you. The way that I came for you. See how you been doing, I don't miss you. I've been coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been working out for you, you know it's true. I've been coming back for you, see the way I've been pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? I've been coming back for you, see the way I've been pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? Yeah, baby, what you doing tonight? Baby, what you doing tonight? Every day is the way that I came for you. The way that I came for you. See how you been doing, I don't miss you. I'll be coming back for you, you know it's you. I'll be coming back for you, you know it's you. I've been working out for you, you know it's true. I'll be coming back for you, see the way I'll be pulling up on you, baby. What you doing tonight? I'll be coming back for you, see the way I'll be pulling up on you, baby.